Kia ora! We can't wait to welcome you to the University of Otago, New Zealand's first university. Let's get your application underway for a Bachelor's program. Some things you will need: proof of identity, your original academic transcript, and evidence that you meet the English language requirements. You will also need certified translations of your documents if these are not in English. We have a tool on our website that you can use to see if anything else may be required. Make sure you have checked the specific program entry requirements and application deadlines. To start your application, select the program that you want to study from the list of options on our website. You can choose up to 3 programs in one application. In the Ready to Enrol section, select the Bachelor's program that you want to study and click Apply. Time to create an eVision account. This is your student portal at Otago and where you submit your application. Make sure to use an email address that you check often. Once logged in, click Complete Application to enter your personal details and contact information. Remember to apply with your full name as it appears on your passport. Still in high school and haven't been awarded your diploma yet? No worries! You can upload your most recent academic transcript now and provide your final documents later. If you need to submit an English language proficiency test and don't yet have a result, you can still apply. Just indicate on your application that you are sitting a test and submit your results when they are available. When picking your starting semester, be aware that in New Zealand, the academic year runs from February to November, with a mid-year break over June and July. Some programs have different application periods, including teaching, oral health, and dental technology. Once you have read through the declaration details and checked the box, make sure you press Submit. Application updates and admission offers will appear in your eVision portal. You will be notified via the same email address you used in your application. Don't forget to check your spam folder. We can't wait to welcome you to the University of Otago. See you soon!